is a tutorial on a short piece called Plesiosaurus, which is fantastic for early violin players. Hi, welcome to Violin with Catherine. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you're a regular, welcome back. Is in D major, which means we only need to use our M hand shape. Make sure you check out these scale videos over here if you need to work on that. It also works on string crossings, so we'll be doing a lot of D to A, D, A, as well as doing that with a syncopated rhythm, which means not everything is on the beat. We have T, ta, ta, or we can think fast, slow, slow for our bows. Before we look at the music, we're just going to practice moving from the D to the A string with that syncopated rhythm. So we want to make sure that we've got our elbow level at our D string level and our A string will be here. So we have to make sure we're moving between those two levels. D, A, D, A, D. So it's very important to make sure after your A, you lift your elbow up nicely for the D, A, D. So you can do this without the rhythm, just practice your D, A, D, A, and then with the rhythm, T, ta, ta. It then repeats the same rhythmic pattern but starting on the up bow, so it will feel different. T, ta, ta, and don't play your G string like I just did. One more time. T, ta, 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 T, ta, ta. We'll then add our fingers in. So we start with our second finger on the D string. This is our M shape, so F sharp with our second finger. We do second, then first, another bar with first, and then open D. And we repeat this pattern, 2, 1, 1, and open. We also need to make a tunnel with our fingers. So that means we're going to make sure that we can play our open A. I usually say to students we're going to have a train go through this tunnel through here. So you need to make sure that you're not touching the A string with the fingers. You want to see all the way through there so that we can keep the fingers down on the D string while we're playing the A string. T, ta, ta, first finger. And I'm going to turn the fan off because it makes it all funny sounding. So starting with our second finger on the D string, we're going 2, open A, 2, A, 2, first finger on the D, 2, 1, 1A, 1A, 1, keeping there, 1A, 1A, 1, open D, D, A, D, A, D, repeating. One A, section, the B section of the piece, we're going to play our second finger on the G string, then our first finger on the G string, back to our second finger, and then we're going to go 2 on the G and slip it over to 2 on the D, and then first finger on the D. So it will be like this. We've got minims 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, slip across to the D, 2, 1, and it repeats the beginning part of this, 2 on the G, 2, 1, 1, 1, and then first finger slips over to the D string, 1, 1, 1. Okay, that section with the violin. Second finger on the G string, 1, 2, 3, 4. T, ta, T, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, go across to the D, 1, 2 on the G, 2. Now we're going to accent, which means we play extra strong with the bow. 1, 1, 1. First finger on the D string, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It says poco reten, which means slow down a little bit. And we have 2 beats rest, and then we go back to exactly the same as the beginning. Here is that we've got accents on these last notes. Ta, ti, ti, ta. Make them extra strong with your bow. So if you'd like to try this with the accompaniment as well, I've put a link to the accompaniment I used down below in the description. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know in the comments if there's anything else you would like me to cover or what you think I can do to make my tutorials even better. That would be fantastic. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe down below. That really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.